with this meddling and all.
The Nongstoin College celebrated its graduation day and inaugurated its newcomers building and girl hostel on Monday. While speaking as the chief guest at a program, Rakam A. Sangma, Education Minister of Meghalaya, said that the graduation day was a special occasion for the college and its students, and the inauguration of the new building marked a significant milestone in the college's history.
A day to recognize your hard work.
We will do whatever possible, and as per the requirement, I want to promise, assure each one of you that as a government, as a minister, we will always will be for you and will be with you, and we will take this responsible and we will take this journey together.